McGowan was tripping. He texted me like 17 times last night. Kept saying we need to go pro.
You know what? I'm hip to the game.
He was right, and I knew what he meant. But that would mean a 4-mile skate out of the Sauce District into the heart of downtown. I was worried that the Figueroa locals wouldn't accept us.
I was general manager of this taco place on your right, too. It's in my bag.
Turns out McGowan used to manage a taco place down there, so they accepted us as one of their own.
Wanna throw joints to get spanked, fella. Wanna talk dope? I'm seeing more cash in a bank teller. Wanna talk girls?
Security here.
The cops here are even faster than the ones in the Sauce District. This might be harder than we thought.
Get shut down so fast.
Hey, this wasn't the one.
That was not the spot.
No.
Staples?
Staples.
Nice D, kid.
I think this one might be the one. What do you think? Staples sauce?
We put in work.
Can we play here for like 30 seconds? Can't play hockey here.
Yeah.
This is not the Sauce District.
Yeah.
But it could be.